Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on 13 collagen-rich foods. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of collagen, a vital protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our skin, hair, bones, and overall well-being. Our bodies naturally produce less collagen as we age, leading to signs of aging like wrinkles, brittle hair, and joint discomfort. But don't worry, the good news is that your diet can boost your collagen levels. In this video, we'll explore 13 delicious foods packed with collagen or promote its production in your body. Whether you want to enhance your skin's elasticity, strengthen your hair, or support your bones, these foods can help rejuvenate your health from the inside out. So stick around as we uncover these tasty options that can make a real difference in your life. Fish and shellfish. Fish and shellfish are delicious and rich in collagen, particularly in their skin and shells. Fish skin, especially from fatty varieties like salmon, is packed with collagen, while shellfish, such as shrimp and crab, contain high levels of this vital protein in their shells. Incorporating these seafood options into your diet can significantly enhance skin hydration and elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Try recipes like grilled salmon with crispy skin to boost your collagen intake, allowing you to enjoy the collagen-rich skin while savoring the flavors. Another great option is a shrimp stir-fry, where you can use the shells to make a flavorful broth, extracting even more collagen. You can also whip up a seafood chowder with clams or crab, ensuring you benefit from the meat and shell's collagen. Enjoying fish and shellfish is a tasty way to support your skin health. Berries. Thanks to their high antioxidant content, berries are delicious and play a significant role in collagen production. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids found in berries, help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Specific berries like strawberries and blueberries are particularly beneficial. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, while blueberries contain potent antioxidants that support skin health. To enjoy the collagen-boosting benefits of berries, consider adding them to your morning smoothies for a refreshing start to the day. Blend a handful of strawberries and blueberries with yogurt or almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink. You can also incorporate berries into desserts, such as a berry parfait layered with granola and Greek yogurt, or bake them into healthy muffins. With their vibrant flavors and health benefits, berries are a delightful way to support your collagen production. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are fantastic sources of nutrients that support collagen production and overall skin health. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which help protect collagen from oxidative damage and promote skin elasticity. Vitamin E, in particular, plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health by reducing inflammation and supporting collagen synthesis. Seeds like chia and flax are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining skin hydration and reducing inflammation, further enhancing collagen production. To incorporate more nuts and seeds into your diet, consider snacking on a handful of mixed nuts or adding them to your morning oatmeal for a crunchy texture. You can also create a delicious chia seed pudding by mixing chia seeds with almond milk, letting it sit overnight, and then topping it with fresh fruit and nuts. You can boost your collagen levels by including these nutrient-dense foods in your meals while enjoying their delightful flavors.